friends, my name is Reeva Nargodi and I'm going to be teaching you all how to make Halloween cupcakes. So friends, let's start the recipe. First step, we will line our cupcake molds with paper cups. With this recipe, we can make 10 cupcakes. We will add one more paper cup to hold it nicely. You can make it easily. These cupcakes are really yummy. Take a bowl, place sieve on bowl and sieve 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Use hands to sieve all-purpose flour. Please check description box for ingredients. Ingredients should be of room temperature. Sieve 1 cup powdered sugar. This is homemade powdered sugar. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve baking soda too. Add 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder and sieve too. Use hand or spatula to sieve the cocoa powder. If there are any lumps, you can break them with help of spoon. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's start with wet ingredients. Add 1/3 cup unflavoured oil. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Whisk everything nicely. Add 1 teaspoon coffee powder in 1 cup warm water and stir nicely. Add this coffee mixture in oil mixture and whisk nicely. Now our dry and wet ingredients are ready, and once we will whisk our dry ingredients. We will make a well between our dry ingredients and we will add half of our wet ingredient mixture and mix with whisk nicely. Take flour from sides and mix. Add other half of the wet ingredients also. Mix with whisk properly to avoid lumps in batter. Now we will remove whisk and use spatula. We will use cut and fold method to mix batter. We will move spatula in circle from all sides and give cut in middle. This is called cut and fold method. Batter should be lump free. See to it that your batter is thick, not runny. If you like, you can add choco chips. It is optional. I love choco chips, so I am adding. Fill the mold 3/4 using ice cream scoop or spoon. See to it that you don't fill more than 3/4 because it requires space as it will rise while baking. Pour the batter in middle of the mold so the sides of the mold don't get messy. We will bake these cupcakes in preheated oven on 160 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Insert toothpick and check if cupcakes are ready. To make Halloween cupcakes, spread Nutella on the cupcake. If you do not have Nutella, you can use chocolate spread. Spread more Nutella. Divide Oreo biscuits in 2. Then set Oreo biscuits with cream for eyes. Then adjust the Oreo biscuit and apply slight Nutella on the Cadbury shots and put them as eyeballs. Press the Cadbury shots so that they stick on the biscuit. Break other side of biscuit into 2 and use as ears. Lightly press the ears. Take a gem and make nose with it. Adjust the nose as needed. Halloween cupcakes are ready. It's so yummy and cute. Similarly, make all other cupcakes too with Oreo, gems and Nutella or chocolate spread. You can give these cute Halloween cupcakes to your friends too. Trick or treat, I have a treat.